Good morning again. Welcome back to Talk Less Interior and Exterior Designs. So today we are going to be talking on why supervision on site is necessary. So and we can even say it's compulsory if you want to have a good finishing work. So I'm going to give out the reasons why it is matter, and it is very okay if you can get your site under supervision. So supervision actually goes beyond being present at site. So it's actually about quality control, safety, and cost protection. And if your site is lack supervision, it actually lead to some errors, some costs that you don't actually have to pay for, but you will pay for it since you don't have supervisor on the site. And sometimes can lead to long time damages. So these are the reasons why that we need to like consider putting our site under supervision. So one is having quality control and the standard execution. So if your site is under supervision, it will have a quality control and the standard execution, because any project that is lacking supervision, so there is higher possibility that the outcome of the work there will be reduced in quality and value. So another thing to consider to look into is costly sorry prevention of costly mistake. So prevention of costly mistakes. So if you have supervision on site, so it will prevent you from spending double money on a single project. So that is another importance of you having supervision on the site. Then another thing is time management. So supervision will convert your time into productivities. So instead of wasting time, they will make sure they use this time effectively and deliver on time. Then another thing why we should consider supervision is proper material usage and accountability. So they will make sure they supervise your material for you. They will use it as required to be used. So they will not waste it and they will not divert it so to another thing that you don't know about. Then supervision also helps in safety compliances. So they have to like work with those people, put safety first, getting them safety tools and some cautions that they need. So that is another important of having supervision. Then alignment with the client's vision. So supervisor will make sure that the work they are doing is aligned with the client's vision. So they will deliver client is expecting from them. So that is another work of supervisor. So if you have supervision, we lead to professional reputation protection. So they will make sure they want to like protect their own reputation, and by them protecting their reputation, so they will definitely give you correct work that you are expecting from them. So that is another thing. And real time problem solving. So if there is any issue from the site, so they will attend to the problem instantly before it become a major problem. So that is another important. Then another thing is team coordination and discipline. So there is no how you want to work on site. Most of the time you will have different so when working on site, we have different professionals there, like carpenter, bricklayer sometimes, and furniture, all those people. So if there is supervision, we have team coordination. So it will they will give each and every one of them their work to do, and they will be disciplined so to face their work, so that there will not be anything like um quarrel between them, when anything that can bring distraction to the work. So supervisor will make sure they pay much attention to this. And lastly is value delivery to clients. So they will make sure they deliver the value that you need on the project. They will deliver it to the clients. So these are the reasons why you should consider using supervisor on your site. Don't say this my work is too small, so it doesn't need supervisor. Every work deserves to be supervised, because a person that is working is hardly for him to see everything. But if you have a supervisor, so the work of supervisor there is to check everything, pay attention to everything, and knows where actually need correction and where to be to adjust the finishing line. So this is the reasons why supervision on site matters. So thank you for watching Stockless Industrial Designs.